Armando.
We have been in school for 23 days.
Got it, everybody.
We have been in school for 23 days.
So on our boards, let's write the number 23. 23. And then we are going to write the number word. So let's sound out 23. We have E, like silly happy puppy. 3. E, like see the tree.
And it has the
hyphen.
yeah.
Show me your number and number word in 3, 2, 1, 0.
Show what we know.
Okay, I need 100%. And on Jordy, board up. Jordy, show me what you have. I need 100% up. Awesome. Thank you, Christian. Boards down. Eyes up.
Hands free.
Free. Christian, hands are free. All right, let's go ahead and erase. Please make a T-chart. We are going to make the number 23. We're going to make the number
23.
here, everybody. The number
23.
using 10s and
1.
go in our T-chart.
How do we 23?
How many 10s do I need? How many 1s? You ready to share? In 5. So why do I see the camera? How many numbers? And Diego, where is your seat? 3. 2 minutes. 2, 1.
Show what we know.
Waiting on 2 boards. All boards up. Jocelyn. We are waiting for you. Waiting for Hamley. Go, Hamley. Alright, boards down. Eyes up.
Hands free.
I would love if my friend Alejandro come up and show me how many 10s do I need to make 23. How many 10s do I need? So we're tracking who? Show me. And you just said your hands are free, Steven, so I shouldn't see it in your hand. So Alex, let's make room for Alejandro. So first, Alejandro, will you share with the class how many 10s do you need?
2
2 what?
10s.
2 10s. What number does 2 10s make, Armando? What number did Alejandro just make? 2 10s.
10.
10 is 1 10, and then another 10 makes
1.
Armando 20. Awesome. What number did Alejandro just make?
20.
20 is how many 10s?
1.
How many 10s?
2
10s. I should hear everybody.
2
10s. So you got it, Alejandro.
You got it, Alejandro.
All right, I'm going to have my friend add the 1s. How many 1s do I need to make 23? Diego. So who are we tracking now?
Diego.
So showing respect, we do not have markers in our hands, Alex. So Diego, how many? That's okay. Diego, how many 1s do you need to add?
3.
3 what?
Once.
Ones. Let's count with Diego.
Yeah, come on. Like the tippy toes. Like, I got it.
1,
2,
3. So what number did he just make, Stephen? 3. 3 ones is the same as the number 3. 3 ones make 3. So we're going to change it to a pen and write the number 3. Please solve this addition problem on your board. 20 plus 3 equals what number? Write the addition sentence. Okay, nice job, Diego.
Nice job, Diego.
I heard Nettie. Nice job, Diego.
Nice job, Diego.
Go ahead and write the addition sentence. 20 plus 3 equals what number?
20. Give me set up.
Straight start. Make sure it's right next to the equal sign. It's right at the bottom where I can see it. Good. Show Miss Adams your boards in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Show what we know.
Oh, Alejandro, do I have 100%?
No.
Nope. I have about 90. Hamza. Hold it up high so I can see. Right now, Stephen. Beautiful. Boards down. Eyes up.
And free.
Christian, your hands aren't free. Show me. Markers are hot. Put them on the floor. Hot. Good. All right. Thank you, Sophia. Hanley, can you please solve our addition sentence? What is 20 plus 3? So who are we tracking now? Hanley, show me. Thank you, Brisa. Thank you, Mia. 20 plus 3 equals what number? Wrote it on the board. 20 plus 3 equals 3. Don't my voice I should hear is Hanley. And so I have 20. And I need 3 more. What number does that make? 23. So you got it, Hanley.
You got it, Harley.
So 1 and Christian. Hanley right now. And your marker should be down. Thank you. If I have to warn you again, Christian, I'm moving your foot. Let's change it to a pen and write 23. While he writes 23, please erase your boards. Erase. Not with your hand or mine. Good. A board should be completely erased in 5, 4, 3, 2. Awesome, Miriam. 1. Nice job, Nettie. There, just a little bit harder. 23. Then once your board is clean, put it on the carpet. Markers down. Hands are in. Star. Show me, please. Up. So you don't press the button. Just right. Good. Say nice job, Hanley.
Nice job, honey.
I don't know what happened over here. But 20 plus 3, 20 plus
3
equals what?
equals what?
Equals
23.
Good. 20 plus 3 equals 23. Nice job. All right, well, we are going to move on to money today.
Money. You only got.
So let's review our coins. Nettie, I'm trying to talk over you. Nettie, please move your body. Put your board down. On the very first day, and I don't know why you're already joining us. For Throw it on your marker and put your marker down. On the very first day of school, we learned about a coin called what, Sophia? Good, and how many cents are in a penny, Aaliyah? 1.
Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent.
And then on the 5th day of school, we learned about a new coin. And what is the name of that coin, Nettie?
A new coin?
On the 5th day of school, the nickel. And how many cents are in a nickel, Stephen?
10.
Wait, who could phone a friend? 3, 2.
10.
How many cents are in a nickel, Nettie?
5.
There are 5
Cents.
in a
Nickel.
nickel. So how many cents are in a nickel, Stephen?
5
5 cents. Good.
Nickel, nickel, thick and fast. You're worth 5 cents. I know that.
And then on the 10th day of school, we learned about a new coin. What is that coin's name, Christian?
Dime.
Dime. And how many cents are in a dime, Jocelyn?
10.
10.
Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10.
How many, Alex? So yesterday, we had been in school for 22 days. So we made 22 cents. Let's double check our work. What coin is this? How
Dime.
many cents are in a dime?
10.
Dime.
Dime.
It's the same exact coin. It's a dime. How many cents are in a dime?
10.
So let's think of this as a number bond. My 2 parts, 10 and 10 make what number?
20.
20. Plus, what coin is this?
Penny.
Which is how many cents?
1.
1. Another penny, which is?
1.
How many cents does that make? 22. It's 2, so 20 plus 2. Remember, I can just add my ones. 2 plus 0 equals
22.
2 plus 0 equals 2.
2.
I should hear everybody. 2 plus 0 equals
2.
2. And then I have 2 tens, so 22 cents. On your board, please make it 23 cents. What do I need to add today?
A penny. One more penny.
Show me, show me. What do I need to add today? So Hansa, nice and big so I can read it. This says 22, how do I make 23%? We need to add more. So how do you draw that? But I love how Armando wrote 23 cents. He drew each coin and then wrote 23 cents. Okay, so Jocelyn, how many cents did you just make? Write it. You ready to share your boards in 5? How many? 4, 3, 2, 1.
Show what we know.
Boards down. Eyes up.
And 3.
3. What does Miss Adams need to add to make 23 cents? Jocelyn, read your markers down. What do I need to add to make 23 cents today, Jocelyn? Oh, I can't hear Jocelyn. So yesterday I had 2 dimes and 2 pennies. What do I need to add today to make 23 cents? Right now I have 22. Oh yeah.
One more penny.
I need to add one more
Penny.
So you got it, Jocelyn.
You got it, Jocelyn.
One more penny will make, one more than 22 is 23.
3.
So now I have 23 puppies.
No.
23
cents.
Nice job, erase your boards. Erase, 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 erase. He's going to click 10 frame. Oh. So because
5 and 2 make 7.
awesome, Brisa. I should see everybody's hands. love how Aaliyah's today. Today in math.
Today in math,
I can
I
add numbers
can add numbers
0 to 10
0 to 10
using a number line
using a number line
and my math workbook.
and my math workbook.
So we haven't used number lines yet in math. Today we're going to learn how they work because it's an awesome strategy for when we add two numbers.
Oh, we already seen that picture of the frog.
Awesome. So maybe some of you already have some background knowledge,
Yeah.
some schema, what we
Already
about
know!
numbered lines. I'm excited to hear that. But first I want to teach you a new vocabulary word, Stephen. Count on.
Count on!
Count on.
Count on!
When we count on, we are counting up from a number in order to add. So please tell your partner in your own words, what does it mean to count on?
What
does that mean? Oh, yeah, I can hear you sharing. Alright, class. Class. We don't need to scream it, we say it. Turn our bodies around, tracking the sevens. I would love to hear Hamza. In your own words, Hamza. What does it mean to count on? To skip numbers? Not quite. Close. Let's add on. Who would like to add on, Eddie? Good. Who would like to add on? I heard someone use a really good word to describe it. It's Alejandro.
It's counting up.
Exactly, class. It's counting.
Up.
When we count on, we're just counting up. So a lot of times, Miss Adams has you put a number in your head. So 5 plus 2, we put 5 in our head, and we count up by 2. 5 in our head. 6, 7. Our answer is 1. What's our answer? 7. I need to see your eyes. So counting up is the same as counting on. And today we're going to learn how to use a number line, to help us count on. So I'm going to pick a friend to help me with my number line so we can see really nice and slant and crisscross. Ready? Come on up, Nettie. So first, Miss Adams is going to write an addition sentence on the board for Nettie. Are you ready, Armando? So his addition sentence is, he's going to solve for us using the number line is 3 plus 2. So to use a number line, we're going to find the very first number. So what's my first number?
3.
What's my first number, Mia?
3.
So eyes up here, not in your shoe. Conley, if I ask you to sit crisscross again, I'm going to do it. So he's going to find 3. To help us today, I have a lily pad and a frog. They go together because frogs love lily pads. They like to sit on them when they're in the pond. So we're going to start by putting our lily pad on our first number. So what number is that, Nettie? In our addition sentence, what's the first number? Good, 3. So he's going to put the lily pad on the number 3. Good, so that's where we're going to start. When you are at your seats, each of you have a number line at your desk. You're going to start by putting your finger on the first number. So we put a lily pad to help us on the board. At your desk, you're going to put a finger on the
Number 9.
Yep, on your number line. We're ready. So Nettie, when we add on 2, we're going to count up by 2 using the frog. So the frog is going to start on the lily pad. And we're going to count up by 2. So the frog is going to take 2 hops. 2 hops. So Nettie, 1 hop will take me to what number? Up, so 1 hop will take me to 4. So that's 1, but I'm adding 2. So I need to make 1 more hop for Diego. So 4, and 1 more hop. So what number did our frog end up on? 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So you can go ahead and write 5. How would I make a number bond to represent this addition sentence? Please tell your partner, what are my 2 parts and what is my whole? So turning to face your partner, what are the 2 parts and what is the whole?
3 plus 2 equals 5.
So what's the number bond? What are the 2 parts? So what are my 2 parts?
3 and 2 make 5.
Good, and what's my whole? Good, number bond.
Part, whole.
It means we are turning our bodies forward, joining. What are my 2 parts for my number bond? Betsy's not here. Mia, can you give me one of my parts? So Mia said 5. Who agrees? Who agrees? Who disagrees? Diego, why do you disagree?
I respectfully disagree with Mia because that part is like 3 or 2.
3 or 2. Why can't it be 5?
Because that's our whole.
Because that's our
Whole.
That's our whole 1. So Mia, what are my parts? What are my parts? Diego just helped you out. You said it can't be 5 because 5 is the whole. Right to the back. You can see on your phone. So what are my 2 parts? Got it. So you got it, Mia.
You got it, Mia.
All right, Nettie, because you're right. 3 and 2. So what is my whole, Brisa?
The whole is number 5.
You go, girl.
You go, girl.
My whole is 5. And number 5. Nice job.
This is nice.
Let's do 1 more. I'm going to pick another friend to come up with. Show how we're going to use the number line. I really hope this friend is sitting here crossing my line. She is. Brisa, come on up. So Brisa, your addition sentence, tracking Miss Adams. Make it a little bit harder this time. You ready, Aaliyah? What is my addition sentence, class?
2 plus 6 equals.
And we have to solve it. We have to solve it. We're going to use what? What's our strategy that we're learning today? We're going to use the
Number 9.
good. I know not just Nettie knows. I need to hear everybody. We're going to use the
Number 9.
because we are counting on. We are
Counting on.
nice job. So Brisa, where do I put my finger when we get back to our seats and I'm practicing in our math workbooks? Holly, where do you put the lily pad? Or where would we put our finger when we're at our seats? Where do we start? What number? Tracking Miss Adams and other stories in the hall. Steven, can you come back here and stand, please? More than just finish round 1. Where do we start? No, you don't need to come up. 2. Thank you. Can you please show me that you're listening? That means eyes are open. Tracking Miss Adams. Good. So Brisa's going to put the lily pad on the 2. So at your seat, you're going to put your finger on what number?
Number 2.
Number 2. I should hear everybody. What number?
2.
2. Good. Up so the arrow. The arrow. And in fact, while she puts the lily pad, let's go to our seats and get on. So let's do this quickly and quietly. 1. Go ahead and grab your name tag and bring it back with you to the carpet. Up. I haven't said 2. I have not said 2. Follow directions. Back to the carpet, homie. 2. Walking to your seat, grab your name tag. We'll practice along with reset.
I am so strong.
Grab your name tags and 3. Walking back to the carpet.
Like a butterfly.
Nettie, your voice is on. In fact, Nettie, will you bring me my card set? Long with recess. So Christian, crisscross. Tracking recess. Our addition sentence. I'm gonna wait because I'm not gonna talk over Armando. I'm not gonna talk over Christian. You need to be in your spot. Sophia, will you read me the addition sentence? Nettie, I said Sophia. I'm moving your clip. A lot of calling out, Nettie. And we're going to solve it. So Bree's going to put the lily pad on the 2. You're going to put your finger, Jordy, on what number? 2. 2. So please show me. We're putting our finger on the number 2. Christian, not a toy. Your finger is on the 2. We are going to add 6, which means we are going to count on by 6. So Brisa, show us with the frog, please. So the frog starts on the lily pad. That means your finger starts on the number 2. Just like the frog is starting on the number 2. And then we are going to count on by what number, Jocelyn? Can you follow along? You should see your finger.
Jocelyn.
On the 2. What are we counting on by?
6.
6. So starting on 2, now we're going to count on by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so you stopped at the 6. But did you make 6 hops? So did Brisa make 6 hops?
No.
No? Who can help her out? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Sophia, what do you think? Did she make 6 hops? No? How many more hops does she need? So let's... 3 more hops? You know what might be best? Let's start back at the lily pad. Sometimes starting back at our first number is the best. Yep. So let's start back at the 2. Now let's count with her. Hanley, on your number line. Your finger is on the number 2. Thank you. We are going to make how many hops? 6. Because we're counting on by 6. So put your finger on the 2. And then we're going to count on by 6. So 6 hops. Ready? Let's count with Brisa. 1. Wait till she's on the number. So that's 1 hop. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And almost there. So you can just move a little bit this way. How many can you make one go, please? Thank you. 6. Good. So we started at 2, and she made 6 hops. She counted on by 6. So what is my answer? What number is the frog on?
8.
8. Let's try it on our number line. Put your finger on the number 2.
22.
We are counting up by 6. So let's count together. As we move our fingers. 1. 6 fingers on the number 3. 2. Your fingers on the number 4. 3. Keep going. 4. 5. 6. What number is your finger on, Miriam? 8. So what's my answer? 2. And we count on by 6. What's our answer? Where's your finger? 8. So what's my answer? 8. So you got it, Miriam.
You got it, Miriam.
Who can help me write a number bond for that addition sentence? Tell your partner, what are my 2 parts and what is my whole?
2 and 6 equals 8.
Yep, the penny. Alright. M-I-Z.
C-O-U.
Well, I heard Sophia. M-I-Z.
C-O-U.
Jocelyn, sitting up nice and straight, please. make a number bond for my addition sentence? Brisa, why don't you hand Alex the pen? So Alex, what are my parts? Who are we tracking right now, first grade? Alex, so one, I shouldn't see your name tag. And I'm going to move your clip because I've asked you about 3 times to track. No, it's good right there. Thank you, though. Can you go have a seat? So what are my 2 parts, Alex? Thank you, 1. Perfect. 2 and
0. 2 and
6.
6.
What Alex just said, 2 and 6. So he's going to write his 2 parts. And I want this friend to come up and write my whole. So go ahead and write it on your parts. Christian, you're going to come up and write my whole. Up, so pick a new color. It's white, so we can't read. And Hanley, that's not your spot.
Pick black. What are the colors? So we can see it on white. Any color you want.
Oh, this is the one white.
I think
There you go. Oh, here you go. Yep. So what are the parts, first grade?
still
Oh.
like this. No, you gotta press hard.
What are the parts, first grade? 2 and 6. And together, 2 and 6. Justin, is that what we're doing right now? Together they make our whole. And what's our whole, Christian? 8. What's the whole, first grade? 8. So Christian's going to write 8. Nice job. All right. So please put your number bond next to your, or number bond, name tag, and number line on the carpet next to you. Turn your body to face Miss Adams. When you get back to your seat, I'm going to wait for Diego's eyes. I'm going to wait for Jordy to be a crisscross. When you get back to your seats, we are going to do workbook pages number 44 and 45. So when you turn to 44, guess what? We're adding by counting on. We're counting up. Yep, we're moving our finger up. We're counting up. I'm going to wait for Conley's eyes, Alex's eyes. Just turn and face the board.
Also, we start from the number and count on the other part. The other part is.
So what is my, we're going to do the first one together. What is my addition sentence, Aaliyah? Whoever's making that noise needs to stop. Juan, you're not showing me you're working on it. What's my addition sentence? So you don't need to solve it. So that's the addition sentence. 3 plus 2 equals. Let's solve it using our number line. You can also use the number line on your workbook. But let's practice using our number lines from our name tag. So now you may pick it up. Where do we put our finger on? What number?
3.
3. Everybody, the finger goes on
3.
How many hops will our finger make? Just like the frog. How many hops?
2.
2. So put your finger on the 3. And we are going to make 2 hops together. 1, 2. Where does my finger end, Brisa?
5.
5. Who agrees?
Me, I do.
So I should say you are also going to count up. What number do you think we start with for number 2, Jordy? What number should we put our finger on our number line?
2.
Where are you getting 2 from? What number do we put our finger on? 6. We're going to add 1 to the 6. So let's put our finger on the 6. We are adding 1. So we are counting on by 1, making 1 hop with our finger. Armando, your finger should be on the 6. And now make 1 hop.
1.
Christian, I should see you doing this with us. 1. Where did your finger end up?
5. 1.
What direction are you going?
7.
So we're going to put our finger on the 6, and we're making 1 hop. So our finger's now on the very next number. What number is it, 1?
7.
Good. Brisa, what number is it?
7.
7. So 6 plus 1 equals
7.
We're going to do the same. 3 plus 1. 4 plus 1. You're just going to count on by 1. There's no 10 there. By 1. Good. Then you're going to add on 2 to each of these numbers. And how many are you going to add on to question 4? 3, 6, and 7. You're going to add on 3. I should hear everybody. We're going to add on 3. Good. Use your number line. Miss Adams will be coming around to be checking to make sure we're using our number lines correctly. What are our workbook pages? When you get to your seat, we're going to turn to page
44.
That's great. I don't want to see you using fingers. We're using our number line. That's the strategy we learned today. Use your number line. So what number are you starting on? You got it. So put your finger on the 6. Good. And then what? Well, no. Is it 6? 8. Good. Then how many do you add on? So you make 1. So what's your answer? What's 8 plus 1? Where's your finger? What number? 8? Miss Allie, this one is 9. So 1 half, 9. Your answer is 9. Can you show me the next one? This one.
I'm drawing certain things to help.
Armando, eyes are where, mommy? Show me. Please put your book bags and fast finishers away. Leave your math workbook open in front of you on page 44. On page
44.
All right, you can be ready in 5. 4. 3.
Where are we gonna go with
Wait. 2. 1. Yellow. Can you please clean up the crayons, Stefano? All right, 0. Thank you, green table. Nice job. Thank you, orange table. I can tell they are ready. We're going to wait for Alex's eyes. Please point to question number, so it's actually a letter. So question number 1, letter
Where's your book?
D. What is the
You weren't supposed to put it
addition
away.
sentence, Jordy? Crab. What's the addition sentence first?
7
That's the 7 plus 3. And what's the answer, Jordy?
10.
How did you solve it, Jordy? One.
I look at the pictures.
Good. So let's do it with them. Put your finger, so number line should be in front of us, Armando. Put your finger on what number, Jordy? 7. And how many are you going to add?
3.
So we're counting on by 3. So how many hops are we going to make with our finger?
3.
3. I should hear more than just Sophia. How many hops?
3.
3. Let's do it together. Ready? So
1.
Armando, where's your finger? On your number line, guys. On your number line. So finger is on the number 7. 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. Where does my finger end up, Armando?
10.
So what's my answer, Brisa? 10. What's my answer, class? 10. Please tell a partner at your table what strategy did we learn today in math to add numbers 0 through 10. Share. Good. Put your math workbooks and pencils away in 5, 4, 8. Let's go. 3. Thank you, Hamza. 2, 1. I'm moving your clip up. Thank you for following.